Alright, well, what's up, guys? I haven't posted anything in a while, so like this is gonna be like, update. But I don't know. Today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. I don't know. When it says welcome to get those. Oh god, sometimes changing my name to Toys Video is really come on. Yeah, I'm just gonna spill the beans. Toys Video is not. My real name is not. Off because I already put background music. You're welcome. Anyway, stop! I'm just trying to play. Anyway, this is since I haven't posted anything in a while, it's like really weird. Cause I'm about to do the same thing that I did on my old channel. I'm about to not upload for about 2 years and like think that all of y'all are okay with it. Even though there's barely even any people watching, I still think there's gonna be people. And like this is, I don't know. I mean, I would have played Fortnite, but just to make it more entertaining. But I just need to make a quick video. So I might make Fortnite, but just a quick video just to update and play Subway Surfers, because this game is ridiculously addicting. And yeah, because and my real name is Alex. Alright, it's Alex. It's not Toys Video. Just call me Alex, please. It's yeah. Alright, well, buses. I don't get the system of the. I don't get the system. Like, if two buses are like, if a bus is in front of you and a bus goes towards that bus, aren't they gonna crash? That's I'm not sure if you understood what I literally just said. But you see how those buses are going at it? Eventually they're gonna crash into something, and then that bus is gonna crash into that bus. They can't just move, they're trains. You can't. Who's even driving the blue train? No one's driving these. Well, someone's driving this one, but no one's driving that one. No one's driving that. Ow! Well, but anyway, I just want to record this really quickly, just so try to get something out of it, and try to, let you guys know some things. Yeah, peace, guys.